Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add emojis in Google Meet chat. Okay, so first let's launch the chat. To launch it, click right in here on the right side, chat with everyone, and now our chat has been launched. As you can see, we can easily type anything, but we don't have any emoji icon on our computer. To launch the emoji menu, we need to hold the Windows key and then click on the colon button. We need to first hold the Windows button, then when we are holding it, we need to click the colon button and the emoji menu will appear. Just like that. And now we have the list of emojis that we can use in our chat. So let's say I will send, for example, this one, and this one. They have been applied to the chat. I can also type normal letters, and now we can send it, and as you can see, they have been successfully typed and they appeared on the chat. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.